Today's episode of Who's Bringing Damian to the Shop Garage is AJ.
Dude, it is coming. You just spun him. You literally just stood it and spun him.
This dude?
Yeah.
Dude, alright. I was like, yo, I think this thing is a first-gen Cummins. Apparently he just stood it and spun him. I'm pissed I missed it. That's dope. I like first-gen Cummins. Yeah, we'll see you guys at the shop. We're doing some cool stuff.
We are the robbers, killers.
So today we're gonna be spraying my car for less than 50 bucks or 50 bucks exactly. Now I'll show you guys the receipt and everything. If I can't afford the primer for under 50 bucks, I'm not doing it. This is a video on how to spray your car with a compressor for 50 bucks. So this stuff right here, oil-based Rust-Oleum
It's
black.
Rust-Oleum too, so it's basically spray paint.
Basically spray paint, but it is gloss black, 31 bucks. Now maybe find the primer and some thinner and some Scotch-Brite. That's all I'm doing.
There we go. And look who's finally back from the dead behind the camera. Later in this video, I will do a quick explanation of why I've been gone for the past like 2 weeks and it wasn't in any videos. It's not as complicated as you guys think. You guys come up with the most crazy theories I've ever heard, but as of right now, let's get that primer and get painting. So the 1 gallon metal primer is 31 bucks, and that would equate to 62 bucks, which is over the $50 line.
Over the $50 line. This one's 9 bucks. Rusty metal primer. I got 250K on my car, so I know I got some rusty metal.
There you go.
So right here, 9 bucks. That equals up to 40.
40 bucks now.
So now I need tape and I need
Scotch-Brite. Scotch-Brite is somewhere around right here. This general vicinity right here. There you go. Oh no, right here. There we go.
There you go. The budget one, 268.
You want to get another one?
Or no, here, dude, 177
there
for
you go.
4. That's mint.
Perfect. You think 4 will be enough?
Oh yeah.
Word.
Scotch-Brite doesn't
Dude,
really.
it's
like...
so weird filming with a camera because it's so like zoomed in.
Oh, from
a phone, yeah.
All right, so that, and then we need.
What is that? 42 bucks, 43 bucks right there.
43 bucks, probably 44 with tax. So
and now we need tape. Tape should be right here, right down here. I love how we know Lowe's like the back of our hand.
Right, dude. Like,
this is our store.
3 minutes and we got everything. Tape.
Oh,
and we need plastic also.
The plastic is right behind us.
Where's the budget Lowe's? 18 bucks. See, we don't need a 6-pack.
The cheapest one. What about right here? 5 bucks for a decent sized one.
Is that we don't have thinner and we're close to the $50 mark, so this has to go.
Well, how much is it?
That's
how much is the
9
thinner?
bucks. So the thinner, we gotta find thinner for around the same.
All right, so with that paint, it does need to be thinned down since we're gonna be spraying it out of a gun. So here's a $7 can of acetone. We had to put the primer back, but he doesn't really care about primer in the car because obviously this is a DIY cheap paint job.
$50, not like like the paint's 50. No, like
everything.
We're gonna paint the whole thing minus the compressor. If you guys have a compressor, this is literally a $50 paint job right here. All we have is this double pack of tape, which is like 5 something. This is a $2 right here. $3 for the plastic, 7 bucks for this, and 31 for this. And we'll be back with you guys with a receipt proving that this is 50 or less. And if it's not 50, some got to go back or be exchanged. So that's 49 bucks, tax not included.
So it's gonna be like a $53 paint job.
Yeah,
if you can spare the extra 3 bucks.
Extra 3 bucks. Clickbait $50 paint job. Some people, dude, they'll never learn. Leaving shopping carts in the middle of the damn.
Get the hell out of here. Get out of the road. I was gonna go park in a parking spot.
Sick.
Learn its lesson.
Good Samaritans, dude.
All right, we back at the shop. We got all the supplies we need, all laid out in the back over there, wherever they are, right there. Blade's gonna take his sous vide and move it into the back so we don't get any overspray onto the cars in the front. Those headers though, dude. This is my first time seeing the car, and honestly, for 300 bucks, it's not bad at all. Considering they had to do a head gasket, but still 300 bucks, you can't beat it. If it runs good, everything seems to be mechanically sound, almost just fell, then absolute steal. All right, let's get to cleaning this up, taping it off, Scotch-Briting it. Oh yeah, the black will cover this so nice.
Oh yeah, it's like 5:30 right now, so we'll update you guys when this is done. on like how long it took, but so far 53 bucks or 54 bucks, whatever it is. Sorry about the $4. I'm not trying to clickbait you guys, but $50 paint job, not just $50 paint, the whole thing. And grab this here stubby screwdriver. We got you boy skinny penis out here. Logan Slim.
Slim thick.
All those are going to be bleeped out because of demonetization moves, but he's about to do his oil real quick while we do this.
All right, so Damian got all that double-sided tape that held on like the little fender thing, I don't know what you want to call it, to prevent rain coming in when you have your window cracked. He got that one all Scotch-Brighted up. He's working on the front bumper right now. I'm working on the passenger side, trying to get as much of his stuff off as we can. Since we're not primering, we have to make sure we sand a decent amount so it at least sticks a little bit. But the whole front end is basically sanded now, from right there all the way back. Just getting some last stickers off.
I'm gonna paint over the Subaru thing. I don't think that'll look bad, but like the other stuff is more like stickers, and then the Outback emblem I probably would have kept, but it broke, so
Yeah,
you know,
fuck
whatever.
it, right?
And then stupid Liberty Subaru New Jersey.
Yeah.
Oh shit, this car's from New Jersey.
But we're basically done sanding. I got the whole passenger side done, and we just gotta wait for him to finish peeling out those stickers and clean all the gunk off.
And then do the driver's side. This is Rust-Oleum, so any spray paint can will match it. So I'm gonna leave this rust. I'll do it, I don't know, eventually. Before the snow gets real bad, so it doesn't like eat all the way through, but I'm gonna fix that. All I'm taping off is the taillights, the windows, headlights and grill, and the side markers. That's literally it. I'm not taping anything else off. Everything is getting sprayed black with that 1 gallon. Lights are super important to me. I'm doing the same thing I did on Orion's truck, just because I like these headlights, and I just did them in the last video, so I don't want them to look like. Cam's taping up the windows. Yeah, so headlights, grill, these little blinker lights, I think they are, or side markers, whatever they, no, those are side markers. Blinker lights, and that's it. Taillights, headlights, blinker lights, grill, windows, and we can start spraying. So I'm gonna go turn the compressor on actually while we wait. Yeah, and the side marker. The whole front end and the top of the headlights taped off in one long thing. Cam's got these jammies mint all taped off. Got this side taped off. I have to finish doing the tail lights, and I got to do these lights right here. Should be mint. Compressor's filling up.
Been for a long time.
Yeah, so he was all about Honda, so he got that.
But then I got a Volkswagen.
And then he got a
so
Volkswagen.
It
so
was
he-
only right. You know,
Come, dude.
JDM AF.
That's
As
sick.
frick.
That's sick as fuck, dude.
Alright, so this is almost done. So this is the extent of prep I'm doing right here. Literally tape. I'm spraying everything off. And I'm gonna paint right over it. That's what I'm gonna do. I got the gloss black. I got this acetone to thin it down. I'm gonna do probably 2 to 1, something like that, 4 to 1. And I have this. It's called Japan Dryer. Basically, all it does is it's just an additive that makes this set a little bit faster, makes it dry faster. Since this is an oil-based, I think it's an oil-based enamel or something like that, but it'll make it dry a little bit quicker, and because it's a little cold in here. It's not super cold today, it's like 50, which is weird, but yeah. So there you go, that's the black, acetone, Japan Dryer. We're gonna mix that in the gun. Same gun we used on Travis's car. This is the first time we're reusing a Harbor Freight gun, which is surprising, but yeah, like I said, budget, 53 bucks.
Oh, hell no, dude. This shit was $30.
Here, put that on the floor in case you spill a little bit. Oh my god.
That's, dude, that's like molasses. That's like molasses.
Here, open the thinner.
That was like no paint.
Yeah, I know.
This is gonna take forever.
I'm just trying to get the rest out of here.
This shit is fucking ladle.
Alright. It's gonna spill, I know. There's a scooter there. Move it.
Not a drip.
That's good. It's so thick, dude.
I'm gonna have to mix the shit out of it. Oh, it's getting thin. Yeah, it's getting better.
It's gray on here, kind of.
Yeah, it does. First of all, that's way too much pressure. So, just finish up the second coat. Gonna let this dry like a lot and see if I want to do a third coat or not. Basically, I just kind of went on real thick with the first one. It had mad orange peel, and now it has, you know, an acceptable amount, I guess. Like, it's not gonna be perfect, it's $37. But for a $37 paint job, it's pretty damn shiny. Like, if you look right here, that's my reflection. Don't worry about this panel. This panel is duffed. If you can see the rust there, there's like a dent. But I don't know. I mean, I like it. I think it looks good. Looks pretty shiny. Look at that reflection. Not bad at all. That's the ceiling right there. Now this is basically like spray painting your car, but more even. So you're not gonna get like those, what's it called? Those tiger stripes. You're not gonna get any of that. So if you have access to a compressor, I highly suggest doing this, and I'll let you know if I come up with a better solution to, you wanna do the Miata?
Miata's next.
So you're, all right, Jay, come take a look at this. Come take a look at this. Now this is like a test dummy pretty much. Like, this isn't even like the best it could get. Would you be comfortable painting your own personal car this color with this paint?
Yeah.
You know how much this paint was?
$80.
$31.
Yeah, I'd paint my drift car this color. This is the same exact color I want.
Just black.
Yeah,
Just straight up black.
Dude, it came out.
You know the beauty of it? We have more than a half gallon left. Like, I did all this, 2 full coats, and they're thick coats on there with 2 C's. And we still have, like 2/3 of this gallon left because that paint is so thick.
It's going down.
You're down?
I'm 100% down once I get my kit. Oh,
Word.
I probably shouldn't have said that. Bleep that out.
See that, dude? Even Jake's like, yo, I'm down to paint the drift car this color. That has to be kind of acceptable. And I don't even think it looks that good. I just think it looks acceptable for a daily. So yeah, I'll see you guys when this thing dries, and damn, it looks really good black. So I haven't been outside, and I'm just now realizing why there's so much water coming off the gun. And it's because it's humid as shit. And it was raining. Not ideal painting conditions, once again, but it came out lit, so that's straight. Besides this one mark on the hood that I was really mad about because the water came out of the fitting and dropped right onto the hood. So you guys already know, wet sand and buff, or just more paint, I don't know. Show you the mark right now that I'm pissed about. Right here. Water dropped right there, and I was spraying. While I was spraying, it just came right off. You can't really see it if you come far back, but I mean, still. That's like the only part of the car that I honestly care about. So I might be taking the hood off and redoing it, like sanding it all down and whatnot, because that's like the most important part of the car pretty much.
Look at that, dude. Cake. But all the plastic and tape is now off the car, so.
It's still wet. I'm just impatient.
It looks so good, dude. I can't believe it, honestly. This completely transformed it. So much better, dude.
With the housings I did yesterday.
Dude, it came out really good. Now we know, dude. That Rust-Oleum 1 gallon paint, dude.
Dude, it's
the way to go.
I wouldn't say it's the way to go, but I mean, if you have like no money, or you really don't, like in my case, if you really don't care what it looks like, 100%.
Then
I mean,
it's the way to
it's
go.
nice. Like it's shiny. I can see my hand in the reflection. The whole car. You come up to the fender and everything.
It's better than buying $90 paint.
Yeah, it's better than buying $90 paint, and it's better than
Spray cans.
yeah. Spray cans would have probably costed more than this. So if you have access to a compressor, I would say this is a 8 out of 10 win. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.
100%. Lit. Now we just gotta get you some wheels. As always, make sure you head down to the description, head over to haggardracing.com, cop a hoodie. It is getting absolutely brick up here in Connecticut.
You can tell. I'm not even wearing a hoodie right now, so this is a bad example.
If you do end up buying any merch, make sure you tag us on Instagram, #HaggarRacingCo or #HaggarGarage if you want to see you repping that merch. And we will see you guys tomorrow with some more sick content.